In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to read and understand binary numbers. This is a binary number. It is made up of only ones and zeros. Now, it doesn't have to be ones and zeros. It could be A's and B's, for example, but other ways of expressing binary often lead to confusion. Now, before we can get into how binary numbers work, we have to get into how decimal works. Decimal is the number system people are familiar with. It has 10 symbols: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is called base 10. Now, each column is 10 times greater than the one to the right. Tens are 10 times greater than ones, hundreds are 10 times greater than the tens. Understanding this, we can move back to binary. You see, binary is base 2. Before we get into what that means for the number system, let's write down a binary number. 1, 0, 0, 1. Now let's sort into numbers. Now, because binary is base 2, each column is 2 times greater than the one to the right. So, let's label the values of each binary digit. As you can see, 1 and 8 are enabled. Simple addition shows that this binary number is 9 in decimal.